Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, I'd love to show you how I created this 3-piece rose gold faux pearl and crystal flower candle display set. This came out absolutely gorgeous. If this is your first time to my channel, guys, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you'll know when I upload a new video. And if you're returning to watch a video and you're my old subscriber, welcome. Guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. I do appreciate it. So if you're interested in how I made this, just keep watching. Very quickly, I'm going to go through what I'm going to use in this first part of the video. I'm going to use a large square vase that I picked up from my discount store. I'm going to be using this diamond wrap. It's rose gold in color. I picked this up from Amazon. I'm going to use my scissors and my silver marker, my glue gun, and my glue sticks. So here I cut down 4 strips that are the length of the mirror. And right now I'm just going to hot glue those to the perimeter of this mirror. The mirror I picked up from my discount store. It was about $3 and the mirror is about 5 inches square. Now that this is done, I'm going to start working on the larger vase. This is the large vase, guys, and I'm going to show you the one from the Dollar Tree just to give you a size perspective. The smaller vase is from the Dollar Tree, and the larger one I picked up from my discount store, and I paid about $3 for that one. So I'm going to be using that one today. But before I do that, I'm going to use my silver Sharpie marker and remove the black lines from the diamond wrap. Now with a little hot glue, I'm going to apply that diamond wrap to the center of the vase. So here I have a rose gold with pearls and crystals. This is a hair comb, guys, and I picked this up from my thrift store. So the comb attachment is no longer functional. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove that comb with some pliers, and I picked this up for about 50 cents from my thrift store. So all the pearls and everything are in there is in good shape, so I decided to use this in a DIY. I'm just going to use a little bit of hot glue and adhere it to the vase. So this came out absolutely beautiful. I love the way this looks. Now it's time to work on the two small vases that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using two square mirrors from the Dollar Tree, that rose gold flowered diamond wrap, as well as the diamond wrap, guys. I picked both of those up from Amazon. The color is rose gold, but on the Amazon website, the color is described as champagne. I'm also going to be using faux adhesive pearls in these various items, my glue gun, my glue sticks, my tweezers, my thread cutters, and this Sharpie marker that I'm going to use to remove the black lines from behind the flowered diamond wrap. Here, guys, I'm showing you that I'm using my thread cutters to remove those extra bits of threads that are peeking out from the flowered diamond wrap. If that bothers you, you certainly can remove that with some scissors, or I find it very easy to use my thread cutters for that. And so right now I'm just going to cut out enough of the single flower wrap to use it on the smaller vase as decoration, as well as on the perimeter of the mirror. So starting in the center of the mirror, I'm going to apply a single flower, and I'm going to space them evenly apart as I go around the edge of the mirror. So now it's time to apply a single self-adhesive pearl to the inside of each flower. The adhesive is very strong on these faux pearls, guys, but if you want to, you can use a permanent glue. So now I'm going to use a little hot glue and apply the diamond wrap to the center of the vase. Now I'm going to take 7 of these little flowers. I'm going to hot glue them to the front of the vase, creating a flower design. Now that that's done, I'm going to add the faux pearls to the center of each one of these little flowers. Again, if you want a more permanent bond when you create this project, you can use a stronger adhesive. So now that the project is finished, guys, I'm going to take you to the final project so that you can see what it looks like. This came out so beautiful. I absolutely love the way each one came out. And the hair comb as a brooch in the center of the larger vase is absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And guys, I want to thank you so much for coming by and watching my videos. Thank you for all the lovely comments that you leave. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourselves, stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.